Alright guys, Franco here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will review my trades from today, August 26th. Let's jump right into it. Alright, this is my edge wonk. I did not trade yesterday, nor Monday. I was traveling from Europe, and I did have a very poor week, and is not a is not something that I'm impressed or I wasn't expected. I did um, trade with very caution this week. I just came from a long trip. I went to Europe. The jet lag. I usually am affected by the time and the travel and how I eat. Look, a lot of people might be different, but for me, being a trader means that my lifestyle and my belief system and a lot of changes that I had to do in order to become a trader, right? And like I said, like every person is different, but for me, it's like my diet, my sleep, my stress levels. They need to be on check all the time. And if for some reason I'm not in my optimal state, then my trading ends up being poor. And I think that's the case for a lot of traders because I've gotten to the conclusion that you need to be a mental athlete, meaning your emotions, your decision, your top-down decision-making system has to be optimal in order for you to place trades, right? Um, so I just wanted to give that introduction a little bit. It's not a justification of my very poor week. I do understand that sometimes I am not perfect and I will have losing weeks and I will have winning weeks. But at the end of the day, what is important is that I am consistent and profitable, right? In the long run, I will be um, better with time. So the trade that I took today was totally um, not a good trade. Like I said, I'm not in my best mental state, but I need to accept it. And part of me accepting this is that's it. No more trading today. And it's me a little bit frustrated saying that today was a day to uh, hit it, like knock it out of the park. NQ dropped 4.5%. ES dropped 3.7%. So the market was trending the entire day. Um, but I think I do not need this type of days, even though this type of days are easy. Um, it was not the case for me, and probably not for you either. Um, so don't get frustrated because you make mistakes. That's the worst part. When I was at the beginning stages of trading, I made a mistake and I tried to punish myself doing stupid things and losing more money because I made a mistake. And perfection is another. Perfection might be a topic for a new video soon, but what I'm trying to say is that I struggle a lot with perfection, not only in trading but in other aspects of my life. But especially in trading, perfection hurts you so much um, because the nature of the market being so dynamic is impossible, literally, being perfect, right? Because the market is a collection of human behavior, and who can understand humans? Like there are millions of people involved in the market, and it's impossible to be perfect at trading, right? Not even best investor of all times uh, are perfect, like Warren Buffett or other investors. They make mistakes, right? You cannot let your mistakes be uh, so costly for you, then that gets you out of business. That's the most important. You can make mistakes. You need to lower your cost per mistakes until you diminish them enough so you can make a lot of money, right? All right, so this is my first trade. It was long here. I didn't take a limit because the market was dropping very aggressively. So I wanted to take a confirmation. I did wait for it to get into the zone. I engaged here for long. Partially, I was like half hour up in the trade, and then I ended up being stopped out here. And that's it. I saw this trade and I decided just to walk away from my computer. Here's the ADQD, clearly bearish. Now, I didn't break any rule here because I am allowed to take triple reactions when the ADQD is just in one direction. Now, I cannot take a long after this move happened. Do you see that? There's no way for me to take a long in here, at least not a triple reaction. I could take here a intraday breakout or any other setup that I have, right? The tick chart, it was not bad either. It was this high and then created a new high, created this fresh low that is right, but here it never closed like aggressively down. Now this is minus 1,000. So minus 1,000 is a good extreme for the NQ. But the location on my field was not bad. It was right here. Well, that's it for my trade. Very poor trading this week. My statistics are pretty poor, but like I said, I did not trade the entire week. I was not putting a lot of effort. I was focusing on just getting my routine back and my way of eating, sleeping, all those type of stuff, right? Exercising. For the week, 8 trades, 4 losing trades, 3 break-evens, 1 winning trade, and I lost $270. Not a big deal for me. I think the entire month is pretty poor, like $3 grand, way below my average. But the good part is I didn't trade 1 week. I was on vacation, and then I missed few days out of my vacation. Like the 4th, I didn't trade. The 22nd didn't trade. The 25th didn't trade. Right. So there are 3 more days to go in this month. Right. I think I do have the opportunity, and if I don't make too much money here, I won't stress out about it. Month is already gone. Next month is a new month, and I don't want to screw my overall trading because of 1 month, right? This is another realistic expectation that a trader might have, that you gotta make money every day, every week, every month. And sometimes it's not the case. Sometimes you need to accept when to make money and when not to make money. And I'm not talking about the market. The market is gonna do whatever it's gonna do. I'm talking about yourself. I'm talking about how do you behave. I'm talking about your decision making. Are you making the right decisions? Are you taking the right trades, or are you rushing? Are you feeling FOMO? Are you chasing? Right? Those type of stuff. So with that, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thanks for watching it, and please like, subscribe, and share so I can grow this channel and help more people. Have a nice day. Thank you.